Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to do a steam facial at home. You don't need a fancy facial steamer to do this, just some boiling water and your favorite skincare products. All of the products I will be using in this video are from Arbonne. I've been using their skincare products for years and I really love them. They are vegan and cruelty-free, they use plant-based ingredients, they are environmentally conscious, and my skin has never looked better. If you're looking for an awesome line of skincare products, I highly recommend Arbonne. I'm gonna walk you through how I do an at-home steam facial step by step.
First, cleanse your skin with your favorite facial cleanser. I'm using the AgeWell Silky Cleanser. It's super soft and hydrating, and it's really gentle so it doesn't strip your skin of moisture. Next, boil some water in your kettle or on the stovetop. And pour yourself a glass of rosé while you wait because you've worked hard and you deserve it. Once your water is boiling, pour it into a large bowl. See all that gorgeous steam coming up from the bowl? That's exactly what you're looking for. I love to add a few drops of the Rescue and Renew Detox oil right into the water. It's loaded with essential oils and smells incredible. I love to use this all over my entire body after a shower. It's super moisturizing. Next, you want to sit the bowl on a table or a countertop at a height that you can comfortably sit with your face over it. Then put a towel over your head and the bowl to create your own little sauna. Let the steam work its magic for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your face will be covered in steam, which you can gently pat dry with a towel. Next, apply your favorite face mask. I'm using an oil balancing mask with red clay that draws dirt and oil out of your pores and brightens the skin. I love applying face masks with a silicone brush. It gives me a ton of control and helps to spread it out nice and evenly. After about 10 minutes, when the clay is dried and looks something like this, I rinse it off with water and follow up with my usual nighttime skincare routine. First, I tone with the AgeWell Toning Mist. It has vitamins and witch hazel in it to refresh and balance your skin's pH. Next, I apply the AgeWell Collagen Nurturing Serum. All of the products in the AgeWell line contain an ingredient called bakuchiol, which is a plant-based alternative to retinol, and it's amazing for anti-aging. Next, I use the Brighten Up Eye Cream, which has caffeine in it and helps to brighten dark circles as well as reducing puffiness and fine lines. Then I apply the AgeWell Intense Repairing Night Cream. I'm only 25, but the best way to treat wrinkles is to prevent them in the first place, so anti-aging products are actually great to start using when you're young. And finally, I finish off with what is probably my favorite skincare product ever, the Nourishing Facial Oil. This product does everything. It hydrates, it smooths wrinkles, it protects your skin, it makes you look super glowy, and it's a really lightweight oil, so it doesn't make my face too greasy or feel like it can't breathe. My skin is always so soft when I use this stuff. I'm obsessed with it. And that's my whole routine. Then I get some beauty sleep and enjoy my super soft and glowing skin.
If you're looking to invest in any of the products I used in this video, you can find all the information down in the description. Or if you're already using Arbonne products, you can reach out to your consultant. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you would like to see next. See you later.